So, picture this. You've just finished compiling your Angular app. What exactly happens next? Behind the scenes. The whole process always felt a little mysterious to me.
It does sound like magic at first, but once compilation finishes, what you get are these ready-to-go JavaScript bundles. They're optimized versions of your code, and they're what the browser actually loads when someone visits your app.
Right. And what I find interesting is that the browser never sees your original TypeScript files, just those JavaScript bundles. I used to imagine it was reading the raw code, but nope.
Exactly. It's all about efficiency. Those bundles are smaller and run faster. But here's where things get cool. When the browser grabs those files, it doesn't just show a page instantly, there's a whole dance of bootstrapping the app.
That startup process always reminded me of setting up dominoes. One action triggers another. So, what does Angular actually do to get the app running in the browser?
The very first thing it looks for is your app's root module, usually app module. This tells Angular where to begin. Then, Angular creates the root component, which is often the app component. That's where the app's visible content starts to take shape.
And all of that is defined in the code, right? Like, the root component specifies what's displayed first, and then Angular builds the component tree from there.
You got it. From that root component, Angular figures out what other components need to show up. It's sort of like a family tree. Each component can have kids, and Angular handles nesting them all together.
It's wild how Angular knows when to update things. Once the components are created, how does Angular keep everything up to date when data changes?
That's where Angular's change detection really shines. Imagine you update a form field. Angular checks which components depend on that data and updates just those parts of the view. It's like only repainting the rooms in a house that need a fresh coat.
Makes sense, and it explains why big apps still feel pretty snappy. Angular isn't wasting energy updating stuff that hasn't changed.
Exactly. For most apps, this process is fast enough that you never notice anything lagging.